Hi all, I am just condensing my lipsticks into this tiny palette. When I bought it, I thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but when it arrived, it like fits in the palm of my hand. It's not that big, but it does the job. So what I did was, with the extra color, if it's the same color, put it just to the right of it, so at least I could fit it all in. It's a full palette, but I only videoed this much. But I just, scrape it off, cut it, and smush it into the compartment. It's very fun. It's just a little messy. It's kind of like making me wish that I could have done this super neatly, but I feel like it's just very hard. And makeup artists do this just so that we can condense our kit, make it easier for us to bring around everything we need, and also keep it real sanitary. And this is what it looks like all filled up.